Here are 25 life lessons I wish I knew earlier. These are simple, but they can completely change your life. Socrates once said, I know one thing, that I know nothing. No matter how much you know, stay humble and keep learning from everyone. Lesson 1 is struggle is good. Hard time makes you mentally strong. So don't run from them. Second, don't complain. Complaining wastes time. Either fix the problem or accept it. Third, spend time with loved ones. Life is short. Relationship matters more than anything. Fourth, don't start a relationship without love. Don't settle just because you feel lonely. 5. Exercise daily. A healthy body gives you energy and confidence. 6. Keep a journal. Writing helps you understand your thoughts and emotions better. 7. Be grateful. Appreciate small things. It makes you happier. 8. Don't care about opinions. People will always judge. Focus on your own life. 9. Take risk. Growth happens when you step out of your comfort zone. 10. Pick a field, not just a job. Master one area instead of jumping everywhere. 11. Lead the way. Don't wait for others. Take responsibility and act. 12. Money is not everything. Don't let money control your happiness. 13. Be nice, not weak. Be kind, but don't let people disrespect you. 14. Learn every day. Even small learning every day builds a strong mind. 15. Rest before burnout. Don't wait until you are exhausted to take a break. 16. Don't judge others. Everyone has struggles you don't see. 17. Think about others. Be understanding and considerate. 18. Give without expecting. True happiness comes from giving freely. 19. There is no final destination. Life is about the journey, not a finish line. 20. Enjoy small moments. Big happiness comes from small things. 21. Don't take yourself too seriously. Relax and enjoy life a little. 22. Don't blame people. Blaming does not solve anything. Take responsibility. 23. Create something. Do something meaningful that adds value to others. 24. Don't live in the past. Learn from it, then move forward. 25. Take action. Ideas mean nothing without action. So start now.